Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of the Sony Xperia XZ2, which just arrived today. You've probably seen a few of them already, but we're just going to go and show you anyway. So this is the package that it comes in. This is the black model, and on the back it tells us it's got a 19 megapixel motion eye, 5 megapixel front facing camera, 14.4 centimeters FHD HDR display, USB-C, 3180 milliamp hour batteries, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of ROM, and IP65 and 68 rating. We have Wi-Fi, NFC, micro SD, Qi charging, and of course Bluetooth. So that's all the information on the box. So we'll take the phone out, and that's it there. It's a nice black colour, as you can see. And what else we get inside? We get our USB-C charging cable there. We get our adapter here for headphones, and of course our power brick or plug. And in here we get some information booklets that nobody really reads these days, but that's all there is in there. It's a previously reviewed device, so the plastic isn't on it. But as you can see there, it's nice and shiny and black. We were at the launch of this here a couple of months ago. We'll link it in the blog post. And first off, you can see it is a fingerprint magnet. Now it comes with the latest Android Oreo. On the back here we can see our camera setup here. We have an NFC logo there, our camera there, and our fingerprint reader there. On this side here we have our keys. As you can see, they are slightly raised. And up top then we have a mic, and we have our SIM tray outlet there. So we can just pop that out. It should just come out like so. And you can also put in a micro SD. So pretty handy that. And you can see some bands here on the top and not repeated on the bottom, but we can see the Xperia logo there. So it comes the latest Android 8.0. It's a 5.7 inch device with IPS LCD screen, and its weight is 198 grams, and it's available now. So it's a pretty neat device. As I said, we've had some time with these already and we are quite impressed. We've also got Bluetooth 5.0. There's no headphone jack, as we pointed out. We have an adapter there for that, and of course our fingerprint sensor. And we look forward to testing it out. So if you've any questions on this phone, feel free to ask while we put our SIM in and take it for the test. And we've got the, of course, it's 18.9 aspect ratio of 424 ppi pixel density, and it's 1080 by 2160. So it can also take up to 10 fingers for people using the phone, which is probably something not seen often, particularly in a home environment, maybe in an office environment. There's multiple people sharing the phone, but that's really about it for now. As you can see, it is a slippy device, so I'd advise you buy a case. But nonetheless, it feels really good in hand, and it's changed their whole design language from before, which were more square looking devices. This is all rounded off pretty well. Really nice to hold in the hand, and we look forward to giving it a run and see what it's all about, and particularly checking out the camera and the slow motion pieces that are available on it. So we have Sony here on the bottom too, and up on top you can see the usual sensors and so on, front facing camera and our earpiece there. And that's pretty much it. So any questions in the meantime, hit me up at techbuzzireland.com. Stay tuned, we've lots more phones coming and other bits and pieces of technology. And don't forget to hit subscribe and check out our latest videos as they come in. We'll talk to you in the next one.